Hello dear friends, welcome back to this YouTube video. So in this YouTube video I'm going to show you how you can be able to install Node.js on your machine. Specifically, I want to show you how you can be able to install Node.js on your MacBook, both for Intel and Apple Silicon Macs. So I have a Apple Silicon, so I want to teach you that. But first I will teach you why we mostly have an error because of path configuration. Also, I will show you how to verify if you have Node installed in your machine, and also I will tell you briefly why do you need Node.js. So let's get started. So why do we need Node? Node is a JavaScript runtime, and usually we mostly use JavaScript in our website to add what we call interactivity. So if like I search something here and I press this button to do something, that is JavaScript on the play here on the browser. Also, if we want to use JavaScript but on the server side, so let me show you on the Chrome side. So if we press something, if we Jumia, let me search on this side. So as I was saying, if we search something here, I'm here on Jumia, and we press this button is doing something. That interactivity is powered on by JavaScript, and you can see this button on what we call the DOM. And let me see. So this button, you can see it here. This is the HTML part for it, and also the JavaScript is only playing part on this part on the browser. But if we would want to learn JavaScript on the server, that is when we need Node.js. So in using Node.js, you can be able to create a server, give it like the IP address and the port, and run JavaScript on the server. So that is why we need JavaScript. And there is two ways to install JavaScript. You can go to this website nodejs.org and download Node.js using this button, and it will give you like the latest version. Okay, and also the other part, you can be able to install Node.js using the terminal. So this is my notes. I'm referring to them here. So you can be able to install Node.js using the terminal, and the good thing about installing with Node.js using the terminal, you can be able even to install with npm. What do we mean by npm? Npm is Node.js package manager. So Node has a lot of what we call many developers have created packages that support Node.js, like what I was showing you here. Somebody can create a package to be able to create a server using just one line of code. So you can't have Node.js without npm. npm are created by the community. There are a lot of packages. We have Express and what Express is the most famous for my side. Even for maybe you need a package for time, you can be able to use. If you search on this package manager, you can find it. So they go hand in hand. I think they are called modules, but if I learn more JavaScript, I'll come back with more knowledge. So yes, I was saying we need to install Node, but we need to use what the terminal. So in Node, for this part, I wanted to use Blue, install using Blue. Why do I need Blue? Because Blue is not a package manager for a MacBook, and if you don't have a Blue installed in your MacOS or Linux, you can install using this command. I'll paste it in the description. Also, let us go to my terminal and see if I have Blue installed. So I write Blue, then .v. Yes, I have Blue installed and at this version. Okay, so if I have Blue installed, the next part is to confirm if I have Node.js in my system. You can also use the same command. I'll provide them in the description. I have Node installed. You can see it, the version. So if you have Blue installed, you can I have given you the command to download Blue. Then the next command we need is to install Node.js, and you can use Blue install node at, then you add the version. But if you just need without any version, you can just go Blue install node. So if you need like version 26 by the time you are watching this video, maybe it's 26, or you need another version, you can just say Blue install Blue install node. But since I have it on my system, it will take a lot of time. It's a huge file. You just write like this. So now we have installed Blue and installed Node.js, and also something else that is very important is to, let me show you on the terminal. If you are coming from Windows, you can be able like to use Node on the terminal, and you can see if you write just only Node, it will open Node.js on your terminal. And if you do something like a calculation, 2 plus 2 is equals to 4. So this, we are learning Node here, and I don't know how to terminate it. So we are learning Node on the terminal, and we are learning it on the terminal because we have configured the what we call as the path of Node is configured in this machine such that if you open any folder and just write Node, you can be able to get to make Node work on your machine. So that is powered by something called here ZHS. So let me open this a certain file where this is where the folders are stored. can't seem to find it. Let me. Yes, and this is where the paths are stored, or what we call in the Windows environment as what we call in window environment, where we go to environment, then we write path. But in MacBook you can use just like you can use your terminal to configure the paths. So you can use Vim is like a VS Code, but you can be able to access it on the terminal. If you are coming from a Linux system, you already know what is Vim. So this is the Vim. This is the file that we have opened, and also you can see this path which we inputted. And on my notes, this path is for Apple Silicon, so you can use this path for Apple Silicon. And I can give you this command. It will be able to, when you put it on your terminal, it will be able to open this file and input this path just by using the command. And also, if you are using an Intel based MacBook, you need to use this path. The Apple Silicon and Intel, they have different different architecture, different chip architecture. That is why we need to use even the different commands for making the Node.js path. So after finishing all this, you can be able to come to your terminal, and let's escape this. So if you are interested in learning like the basics of Linux, you can comment down below. I can come with another video. So in order to verify Node is installed in your system, you write node.v, and you can see it. In order to do like a simple Node.js program, you can write node, and then you are learning Node here on the terminal. Yeah, so that is how to install Node on your MacBook in an easy steps. So hope it was easy. So see you on the next time. Bye bye. Hope you learned something.